Voici les étapes simples pour commencer à investir. Suivez cette vidéo.
Monthly full.
Right.
What were the first steps that you made towards creating like a full portfolio?
First step is the education.
Yep.
So once I understood that, second step is opening a brokerage account.
Okay.
Third step is funding the account. And then the fifth step is putting the money to work. So doing the research about what areas, what sectors are within my comfort area. So I love technology. I love disruptive companies. And if you think about it, today we're dealing with companies that are the most disruptive, but they're also the wealthiest in the whole world. We just had the launch of SpaceX.
Yeah.
Okay, it has an insane valuation. But we had companies like Microsoft. It's been around forever. It's been around in Nigeria. It's been around everywhere. Wherever you go, Microsoft is the most dominant enterprise software. So I started off by looking at those kind of companies that I could really understand. And then it's like, okay, so these are companies that have great leadership. They've been around. They earn more money than God, excuse my expression. And they're likely to be dominant even further. So I started buying as little or as much as I could afford. Just starting slowly, and then seeing how well that investment was doing, and then getting paid a tiny little dividend. I was like, I'm onto something there. Then I joined, this was more or less around about the start of the internet, I joined a group, I think it was a WhatsApp group, where we had something like 35 individuals. We all do one stock prediction to say this over the next 12 months, shares on the London Stock Exchange to see whose pick. You had just one pick, and you couldn't change it for 12 months. Whose pick was going to do the best? And that was around about the time we moved to Canada. I picked the shares of a company called Geo Interactive. It was about 30 cents or pence at the time when I bought it. It went up to £1 and 29 pence, and I sold it at that point. Then it sold off. I bought it back about 90 pence, and then we moved to Canada. Within 6 months, it went up to £35.
Whoa.
I shot up to the number one in terms of the performance of the stock. And it's at that point I knew that I had something here.
Okay.
I just picked something because I thought, you know what, it was something to do with videos and the internet, what we call streaming today. But that time was not very common. And it went ballistic. I even had somebody who called me from the UK to say, are you a fund manager or something along those lines? No, I'm not. I'm just a regular Joe Blow guy that has an interest in technology. So I knew that I had something there, and it just triggered me to keep on researching and keep on understanding. It was part of what funded our home in Canada, because we could actually sell the shares and use that money as a down payment for our home.
Wow.
Donc voilà, investir, c'est pas compliqué. C'est très simple et ça ne demande pas d'être expert. Ce qu'il faut faire, c'est s'éduquer. Il faut suivre des formations, se faire accompagner, lire un livre et tout le reste. Créez votre compte, téléchargez une application, reliez votre banque, déposez de l'argent. Choisissez les ETF si vous êtes débutant. Voyez, si vous avez un peu de base, cherchez des compagnies que vous maîtrisez, que vous connaissez, et puis commencez à investir petit à petit, et puis laissez le temps faire son travail. Alors, si tu veux commencer à investir, écris investir ou communauté pour rejoindre notre communauté. On va vous guider pas à pas et commencer à investir de maintenant. Merci bien.